Reflection of light. Reflection of light can be simply be referred to as bouncing back of light from some surface, just like the ball bounces back from the ground. Light reflects off from a smooth surface. Let me explain this in a simple way. You can see your image in a well-polished, shining surface due to reflection of light. Besides the mirror, other smooth, polished surfaces also reflect light. For example, you must have seen reflections of trees or buildings in still water of ponds or lakes. You can see your face in stainless steel plates. This is because still water and stainless steel also reflect light. This is due to the reflection of light. Let's do an activity to understand what reflection is. In a dark, empty room, from the left, shine a flashlight on a mirror. In this case, you will see a bright patch of light on the wall to your right. This means that when light falls onto a mirror, its direction changes. Such a change in direction of light is called reflection of light. Thus, reflection of light is defined as the bouncing back of light in the same medium after striking a surface. Types of reflection. The bouncing back of light in the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection of light. Reflection of light depends upon the nature of the surface, that is, whether the surface is smooth, rough, or shiny. Depending on a surface, reflection of light can occur as a regular reflection and irregular or diffuse reflection. Let's see what regular reflection is. When a parallel beam of light falls on smooth and polished surface, the reflected beam is also parallel and directed in a fixed direction. Such a reflection of light is called regular reflection. This type of reflection enables formation of image. For examples, reflection from a mirror and calm water. Let's learn about irregular reflection. When a parallel beam of light falls on a rough surface, the reflected light is not parallel but spread over a wide area. Such a reflection is called irregular or diffused reflection. In this case, images are not formed. Reflection from all the irregular surface such as stone, wall, wood are examples of irregular reflection.